Hello everybody, today I'm making Zeppole di San Giuseppe. For the ingredients we got butter, cherry, mascarpone, eggs, water, flour and salt. And we got heavy cream. Okay, now we start with the water. We put the gas on and we got the water. Okay, now when the water starts to warm up really good, we got the butter. And we got to put the butter, the melt all together, the butter with the water. Okay, now the water started to boil a little bit and we put the butter. The butter now got to melt everything. And we got to put a pinch of salt. Only like this, not too much. That's it. And now we gotta start, because the butter gotta melt all butter. Okay, now we start with the flour. So you want, you can put the flour at one time, but I like to do a little bit at a time, because it come out much better. And we start now with the flour. Make sure the beer on low. Oh, look, a nice creamy. And now I use the wood spoon. Okay, I want to make it really, really good now. Now you gotta come nice. Look at that. Look how beautiful it look already. Okay, now this is done. Now the only thing now I'll put it nice like this, but you gotta cool off. Okay, after that, when it's cold, we gotta put eggs. Okay, now this is to cool off, nice, and we gotta start to put the eggs. And I want to do the eggs one by one, and I put on this little cup over here, because you never know, maybe you got a little shell, or maybe the eggs is not good. And we crack the first one. Okay, the first one, it come out really good, really good. And now, we put inside over here and we make it really, really good now. Okay, now we crack another one in the same way I did the first one. It come out really good, oh, fresh, nice. Okay, and now we gotta do the same thing like I did the first one. Now, all the time you make sure it's cold and you mix one by one. And look how nice it come out now. Okay, you gotta mix it really good and look. See, you gotta be like this. And still I got 2 more eggs. And look at this, how beautiful it come. Okay, now we crack another one. And each one you do, make sure the mix is really, really good. Look. Okay. Okay, now this is the last one, the eggs. It's it. And now we mix. And like this, we gotta start to do the zeppole. Okay, now this is all mixed good. And let's pour. This is, in Italy we call saccapo. Saccapo. And we put right inside. How many you need? I gotta use all, but it no fits all thing. And we do like this, a little bit at a time. And the oven it's on already, 400 degrees. Okay, now we start to make the zeppole. Okay, now this is all done. Now you gotta go in the oven at 400 degrees. Okay, it's going in the oven. Be good, zeppole. Okay, after we take it out, you gotta see delicious. Boom. Okay, now it's 30 minutes. And now let's see my zeppole. It look really good. And we put it right over here. And now this is gotta be cold because it's too hot. When I put the decoration on the top, it melt everything. It gotta cool off now. Okay, my zeppole now it's cold, and now we gotta do the heavy cream and the mascarpone, mix it together, and I want to do the decoration on the zeppole. Now let's do with the heavy cream over here. Now, see, you know, got the machine, you can do by hand. I told you the truth, I like to do by hand. But now I got a machine, let's do. And we can go a little fast. Not do too fast, the gap is splash all over the place. Ooh la la, è Pasquale sta qua. Okay, now this it's almost done, a little bit more. I wanted to come really nice thick. When I put on the top, I don't want to fell everything. Now one time this it's nice thick, I gotta use the mascarpone to mix it together. Now so this the heavy cream, you mix it too much, it come out the butter, and you gotta watch when you do this, okay? Okay, now this is ready. Let's turn off. And now, let me take this out. And now it's time for the mascarpone. And you put inside together. And this you gotta be mixed really slow. Okay, now we put the whipped cream and mascarpone right inside this bag. And I want to do the decoration, the zeppole. Okay, now we do the decoration of the zeppole. Now we put the cherry. Okay, now the zeppole is done, and now let me taste my zeppole. Look. You see a big hole? Really good though. Really good. Somebody make this and you let me know. It's delicious. This it's Zeppole di San Giuseppe. Okay, thank you very much. And we see next time. Salute e cin cin. But not now. Later on, maybe I'll drink something. Goodbye.